Stop. Do not hit that skip button. Let me ask you one honest question. What is the worst feeling you have ever experienced in your life? For me, it was the day I crashed. It wasn't a minor setback. It was a total wipeout. My life project, into which I poured my blood, time, and everything I owned, failed. It was a massive failure. In that moment, I didn't just lose money or a business. I lost the most important thing: self-confidence. Are you feeling that void right now? Have you recently felt like you've lost your compass and your inner voice is just an echo of your old fear? Are you actively searching for a real answer to the question, how to rebuild self-confidence? If your answer is yes, you are exactly where you need to be. Welcome to the Maverick Podcast. Make sure to hit subscribe right now, because here we don't sell promises. We give you a roadmap. It's not the plane, it's the pilot. And our goal today is to get you back into the cockpit. I'll tell you the truth, when I failed, I thought I wasn't good enough. My past achievements suddenly meant nothing. The human mind is designed to search for and magnify mistakes. And when a major failure happens, the mind starts telling only one story: you are not good enough. That story is the real enemy. The first thing you must do is the first step in self-improvement. Stop treating failure as a scarlet letter. Failure is not the end. It's just data. Data telling you that plan A didn't work and it's time for plan B. Failure is the entry fee for playing the high-performance game. Every successful person I've spoken to has terrifying failure stories. What sets them apart? They refuse to let that failure define them. How did I transform that devastating moment into a launch pad for building unshakable confidence? With 3 incredibly simple, yet powerfully effective strategies. Strategy 1. The narrative rewrite technique. When you hear that internal voice saying, "I failed," answer it out loud, "No. I learned the hardest lesson of my life about," and state the exact reason for the failure. This is not toxic positivity. This is a real mindset shift. You are turning the phrase, "I am a failure," into the phrase, "I am a seasoned learner." This simple change in your internal language is the first building block in restoring your confidence. You must search for the lesson learned instead of searching for the person to blame. This is the art of mental resilience. Strategy 2. Building confidence, walls, with small bricks. After a big failure, you feel like you can't accomplish anything. The solution is not to attempt another massive win immediately, but to return to the basics. Start building very small, strong habits daily. I call this the daily achievement promise. Your promise shouldn't be finish a book, but read 2 pages. Not run a mile, but put on my running shoes. Every time you keep a small promise, even if it's just making your bed, you send a powerful signal to your brain. I commit and I deliver. These small signals are what re-establish confidence brick by brick. You must prove to yourself daily that you are still trustworthy. High productivity starts with micro wins. Strategy 3. Actionable goal setting that eliminates doubt. Doubt thrives in the fog, and confidence flourishes in clarity. When you are suffering from a lack of self-mastery, your next goal must be crystal clear, motivating, and broken down into very tiny tasks. Don't say, "I will be successful." Instead, say, "I will make 5 sales calls tomorrow, and I will follow up on my emails by 10 a.m. This is an actionable strategy. The goal now is not reaching financial freedom in a month. It is committing to those 5 tasks. Committing to the process is what kills the doubt. Once you start achieving these small goals regularly, your inner voice will return to tell you, "I am capable. I deliver." That phrase is the pilot's fuel. Now you know how to launch your confidence rebuilding plan. Remember, you are the Maverick. You are the pilot. Don't let your plane crash just because you hit some turbulence. Get ready to take off again. Implement these 3 strategies today and begin your journey toward peak performance. Thank you for joining us on the Maverick Podcast. We look forward to seeing you in our next episode. Goodbye.